In this video, you will get to watch us completely demolish a large 2-story house in Avondale, Pennsylvania. We'll also remove its concrete foundation, grade the site, and reseed the area with grass seed. Using our excavators, we begin the demolition process by tearing out the exterior walls and roofing. As we carefully level the house, we pack the rubble into dumpsters to be hauled away for disposal. Once we have leveled the house and removed a lot of the debris, it's time to attack the foundation. By attaching a hydraulic breaker hammer to our excavator, we drill holes across the concrete foundation to break it up into manageable pieces. Once the foundation is broken up, we scrape up and cart away the concrete to be disposed. We continue excavating until all the rubble from the house has been thoroughly cleared away. Now that the house and foundation are completely gone, it's time to level and complete the site. Using skid steers and excavators, we grade the site. We also try to compact the ground to ensure that over time the ground does not settle unevenly. Once the site is graded, we use a rotary tiller tractor attachment to grate the ground, giving it a smoother and finer texture in preparation for seed growth. We also rake out any inconsistencies to give an even finish. And finally, we spray hydroseed evenly over the site, which is now ready and well on its way to becoming a fresh, smooth, grassy surface with no remnants of the previously existing 2-story house. And that's it. If you're interested in learning more about our demolition services or would like to request a quote, talk to our experienced and knowledgeable team or visit our site at siteprep.com. We look forward to working with you.